Welcome. Today we are going to be drawing this and this using the Inventor Extrude tool. So to draw this, I click on this already created IPT file. You can check the first video on how to create IPT files. So I click on Start New Sketch. I'm going to be using the XZ plane. Since I'm drawing from this section, I'm drawing what I can see from this section, that is the plan. So now with this, I draw this top section of 40 by 20 and this of 50 by 40. So this is 40 by 20 and this is 40 by 50. So with that, so now I change this rectangle to a 2-point. I change this to 50. So with that being done, I need to draw this section, a cut part, which is 30 by 20. So this is 20. Click on tab, then you specify 30. So with this, I use this trim tool to trim out this portion and this portion. Click on escape. I delete this portion. Being said, I have this, so I click on finish sketch. So with this, I click on extrude. So I'm going to be extruding this by 30, then extruding this by 20. Now, no. Now looking at this top section was extruded by 30, then this was extruded by 20. So I click on extrude. I extrude this by 30. Click on add. Then I extrude this by 20. So click on OK. So this is the needed diagram. I'm going to be drawing this. To start with this, I have to draw a rectangle of 40 by 80. So I click on already created IPT file. On Start Sketch, I'm going to be using the XZ plane. Now with this, I click on this 2-point, come to this center line, then I specify 40 by 80. No, this should be 80. So with this, I need to cut out this section of 20 by 30. So I change this rectangle to a 2-point, come to this base. This should be 30 and this should be 20. So with that, I need to also draw this cut section, which goes up by 35, comes in by 5, 10, 5. So I'm going to be drawing a line. So now I zoom out. So I click on escape. from this point, I'm going up by 35, I specify 35, and I'm going in by 5, I specify 5, I'm going up by 10, I specify 10, I close it by 5, specify 5. So with this, I trim out this portion, and this portion. So with this, delete this part. So I trim out this portion, and I delete. Now I trim. So with this, I have this bottom section. So this bottom section is extruded by 30. So click on Finish Sketch. I extrude this by 30. So I have this bottom section. Now I need to draw this top section, which is a box of 20 by 20. So I click on this and click on this. Now with that, click on this 2 point. I have 20 by 20 box. So click on this. I have 20, tap 20. So I click on Finish Sketch. Now with this, click on Extrude. This is to be extruded by 25. So I specify 25. Click on OK. With this, I have the needed sketch. Thank you for watching, and do have a wonderful day. Please click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching once again.